I love that sound.
It is 2 days after Christmas. We're here because my husband is making me get a new computer.
The old one is gone. Okay, Apple has phased this out. Okay,
What is it?
M1, either M1, M2, or M3. You have Intel, which is the chip that runs the computer. We are here with Kelvin at the Apple Store. We are going to get, hopefully, fingers crossed, studio display. Not the one on the riser, just the one that tilts, not the nano texture. We don't really need all that. Okay, we just need something. Alright, so Kelvin's looking it up, he's doing his magic. Alright, no pressure, Kelvin. But make it happen. Make it happen.
Alright, he's
Man, he don't know what he's doing. No disrespect, but I know more than everybody here. I smoke everybody in here. Dollar for dollar, okay? Hustle for hustle. I got you, man. Talking Max, you ain't not in my world. You know what I mean? I'm here. They better pay me extra.
he couldn't even like figure it out.
He's sweating and everything. He's tired. Poor kid. I just hope he has it. But you know, it's a lot going on here. I can understand.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Am I an Apple addict? I mean, I do have the phone, the AirPods, the AirTag, the laptop, I have the iPad, and last, the Apple Watch. And now I'm about to upgrade my newest Apple product, my computer. In this video, you're gonna see how I bring my whole Apple ecosystem together with the new Mac Mini and the Studio display. I'm gonna show you how I'm using it and how it can also work for you. Okay, so a few weeks ago, I was just having a really hard time doing the simplest task on my computer. It kept stopping, it was slowing down, I had to keep restarting it. Well, what I didn't know, my husband told me, was that my computer was on the Intel chip. So Apple used to basically go through another company to create a chip in their computers. And now they have their own chip. Here she is, my new computer. I'm excited, okay? Because there's nothing like getting new technology. And whenever you have an online business and you get that new phone, or you get that new new camera, you're always extremely excited. All right, so let's just see how this works. All right, where is she? Uh-oh, there she is. This is a huge box, a lot of packaging. Now, I could have gotten the iMac, which is similar to what I currently have. I could have gotten that. I think I need to turn it this way. There we go. What I currently have where everything is, there we go. Where everything is like all in one. However, I could have gotten that one, but it was only 24 inches. So I settled for this one, which it feels, a lot smaller. Feels smaller. Uh-oh. Voila. Okay. We still have that on there. Let's see. Sure. Oh, this is the cord. Oh, the other cord was white. This one is black. I kind of like the white cord. This one has like a different material. All right, she's plugged in. All right, here we go. Let's see. Kind of want to turn it on and then, this satisfying feeling. There we go. It's like a little sticky. All right, let's see. All right, now this one has less ports in the back than my other computer had. My other one had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. This only has 1, 2, 3, 4, but it has no, it has different ports. That's interesting. And it has no place for an SD card? Well, that's disappointing. So I'm gonna have to get a port for my SD card. All right. Let's see, where do you turn it on? In the other computer, you turned it on in the back. There was like a button. This one, there's no button. All right, it has no on button. Okay, here's the Mac Mini. What I'm thinking is that if there's no on button, somewhere on here, once it's connected, there should be a way to turn it on. Let's open up the Mac Mini and see if it makes more sense once it's open. That's what it looks like. So before, remember, everything was like inside the main computer. Now things are separated, and this is the display. It says Mac Mini on the back. I guess this is so it doesn't like damage the whatever surface that is on. I don't know if this is titanium or what this is. So there's definitely a few more ports here. Okay, that makes more sense. Give you a nice little Apple sticker. Again, we have these black cords again. I feel like as time goes on, they change colors, they change the materials. I will say this, that this hasn't changed throughout the years. This silver color. Here's a cord. Let's see if there's anything else in this box. Guess not. All right, looks like there's just, oh wait, there's this. It's in here. Another cord. And more stickers. Okay, now this does have an on button. Okay, So let's connect the Mac Mini to the studio display. They have these like lightning bolts on here. I guess that means it's a fast connection. All right. So I'm gonna plug this in now. She's all plugged in. I'm gonna turn the on button. I love that sound. Let's see, and I need my my mouse and my keyboard. So I didn't get a new keyboard or new mouse. I have the same one, but I am thinking about getting a different one. Here's my keyboard. My mouse is Bluetooth, so let's see if I can connect it. Oh, so it's telling you to turn on your...
To use English as the main language, press the return key. If you would like to pair a mouse or trackpad, turn it on or make sure it is in pairing mode now. To continue without a mouse or trackpad, press the return key.
Okay, so my trackpad is still not connected.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Okay, now my trackpad is connected. I make your individual needs. You can turn them on now to help you finish setting up or further customize. All right, now while that is setting up, I just want to say a few things. First of all, this feels smaller, even though I know the size is the same, but I think because the system was in the computer, it was bulkier, but it felt taller to me. This is supposed to be the same inch screen, and now the whole system is here. Now here's the good part about this, okay? Let's just say in the future, if the operating system ever becomes outdated and they make changes again. The good thing is that because it's two separate systems, if I wanted to just update the operating system, I could, because that's what the Mac Mini is. This is just the display. And so I like kind of that they're separate, because in the future, if there's something I want to upgrade, I can upgrade it separately. Okay, so now knowing me, more than likely, if I'm upgrading this, I'm probably going to want to upgrade this as well. But things change, technology evolves, and it's really not a lot you could do about it. If you want the new technology, you really do have to upgrade so that you can be able to take advantage of the new way that they advance this technology. And technology is moving faster and faster, and it's getting more robust as time is going on. I'm just going to wait for this to transfer my information, and I'm almost up and setting. Now, what I'm going to be doing on this computer, the things that I do on this computer, for one, I look at charts and I do trading on my computer. So I need it to be really fast in order for when I'm putting in orders and even closing out orders. That's something that's really important to me. The other thing that's really important is when I am creating my coursework, when I do a lot of coaching. And so having a computer be, up and ready as soon as I come downstairs and come in my office, I don't want to have to keep turning it off, turning it on. It just slows me down. So I'm excited that with this new technology, this new computer, that my everyday functions of my business is going to run a lot smoother. I also recommend for you, if you're ever thinking about, like, I know I work with people and they'll say, well, they need to upgrade their phone, or they need to upgrade, they don't have enough storage, or they'll say, they're not taking really great pictures. Well, when you're running an online business, all of these things are really important to the quality of the work that you produce. And for me, it's even really important for the quality of just like time management. If I sit here and I have a client at a certain time, but then I can't get into my computer, or it's stuck and I have to reboot it, it can make me late for the meeting. So having this technology updated is something that I have to do in order just to keep up and making sure that I keep a certain level of quality with the work as a coach. the rest of my day look like. Hey Siri, play some music. All right, I'm going to choose the dark look because it helps with my eyes. Let's see. Auto is like when it's light during the day and like dark in the evening. Because I look at the computer a lot, I'm going to just keep it on dark. Now here's one thing I'm not going to do this time that I feel like might have slowed down my computer the last time. And you might have heard this before. Maybe someone's told you. I know my husband tells me all the time. But I would save a file, any kind of file, a video I've done, a picture, a PNG, all the files for my business. I would always save them on my desktop, okay? I'm not doing this on this computer, okay? I'm not going to make that mistake. So I am going to save everything on my hard drive, and I'm going to keep my this backup hard drive, and I'm going to keep everything off of this hard drive, okay? So I'm not going to make that mistake again. That can slow down your computer, and you don't want to have any issues in the future. Also, if anything ever happens with your computer, you don't want to not have your files saved on an external drive, okay? I'm going to start off on the right foot with this computer. Okay, it looks like I'm all set up.
Okay, let's go.
Why does this even matter? This is going to help with trading files with my husband on the Apple iCloud system. We live in the same home, but we work on different projects, and we can easily do this with their iCloud system. This is also going to help with my trading, as well as my online business and my coaching business. Not to mention when I want to FaceTime with my kids. What I love most is this is going to help me to be efficient with my workflow so that I can spend my time adding value to my clients, my family, and my life. I hope you have enjoyed this video of just watching me unbox my new computer. And more importantly, I hope that if you have a small business that you'll think about maybe some technology that you might need to upgrade for yourself. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment if you want to see a video similar to this, or if there's something else you would like to see. Links to all the products you saw in this video are below, and I'll see you in the next one.